Alright, hi everyone! Welcome back to Mika Layla Iskandar's channel. We're gonna show you the video about a vending machine.
Yes, like the last video.
A vending machine.
Because we forgot to talk about the vending machine.
Yeah, that's right. What does this vending machine sell?
Cotton candy.
Cotton candy, alright. Okay, so these are the cotton candies that you can buy in the malls outside of Dubai. Alright. Okay, so that's the machine. Okay.
Okay, this is the machine.
Yeah, and there are options there.
Yeah. So what are we looking at?
There are different colors.
I can't see it because of how blurry it is.
Yeah, it's quite blurry. The picture is quite blurry. You're right.
Also, but if when you're like this, you can see it now. We just need. They're gonna bumpy like.
It is kind of confusing. We have never bought cotton candy from this machine before,
Never,
so it is a bit confusing for us.
I have a question.
Yeah?
Why didn't you, like raise the camera down so we can see?
Yeah, we're not confused on using the machine. Just we confused which flavor.
Every flavor. Do every flavor. It's gonna taste wonderful. So and it's gonna be very fat.
So you're gonna try all of those?
If we try all of it, it'll be.
Yeah. So let's go. We chose the fly high.
And then choose
it's on, but it's not working because there's nothing there. The USB is not there. I found this random USB.
And then.
Wait, I'm gonna get this random USB I found.
Okay, and Iskandar? Oh, what is the machine doing now?
It's processing.
Oh, it's processing. Okay, it's processing. And
I don't even know how they make it. It's like a spider butt. When it's like spider butt.
Yeah. So
the silk coming out of the butt.
Oh, so that's okay, pretty cool.
It's kind of.
Okay, it's starting.
There's a data inside there. Which It's starting. The silk is coming out. Mika is being annoying right now, so that's me being me.
What are you being?
Being me.
Oh, you're being you. Okay.
I'm more adrenaline because I think we just had something.
Oh, I can see the cotton candy now.
Yeah. That's. If you're wondering what this is, kind of looks like a spider butt for me. So, I mean anus. A spider. I was just putting the deal on them.
Okay.
Oh, that's yellow.
Okay.
Color of something.
Okay, and then.
Look, Hili Mall. Oh, so that's me.
Oh yeah.
Having hyper.
Where did you get the cotton candy here? In Hili Mall, right?
Hili Mall.
Hili
If you
Mall.
want to get this.
Hili Mall is about 1.5 hours from Dubai.
Yeah. But if you want to get here faster, I don't know.
This is this costs 20 dirham.
20 dirham for
how much
this?
is it? How much is it in USD? It's 20 divided by 7. It's 20 divided by 3.6.
I don't know why it's that expensive though. Okay, open it. Open sesame. Open sesame. I'll raise this. It's raising. Yeah, I'm raising it. I have to edit that. I just raised it open with my mouse. Myself! Get that thing out of there. Nice.
Right.
I'll use that as a shield.
Wow, that looks nice.
Layla became selfish and decided to take everything.
Oh, really? Oh.
Mika also did the same thing.
Okay.
Yeah, see what I mean? No, I just only
But
took
that looks like you got the biggest one there.
No, that is not. I actually took the smallest. I just...
Oh, I see.
There, took that one. Look, that.
Okay.
It melts in your mouth.
Nice.
Also, here's a fact about cotton candy.
What?
It melts if you touch something.
Oh, I see.
This raccoon got sad because of it.
Okay. Because it fell in the water, right?
Yeah.
So that's how you get a cotton candy
Yes.
in the mall.
Also, sorry about calling you. You can probably hear the
So that's all for now. If you like the video, don't forget to click like,
yes.
click that subscribe button, and see you on the next video.
Yeah, maybe another video on the same day or night.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.